I was scrolling through
Wow,
Facebook
this
Marketplace when I
is
found a big pile of free pallets. I drove to the
wood
location,
cutting.
and after looking through the
Amazing.
pile, 3 of them seemed to be made of
Sharpness.
hardwood and worth taking. I couldn't quite squeeze them into my car, but I made sure to bring a cordless saw, and after cutting one runner off each one, I got all 3 in the back. It took about an hour to finish disassembling the pallets and removing the nails, and then another 35 minutes to plane down the slats and reveal the beautiful wood hiding just under the surface. At this point, I was 2 hours and 20 minutes into this project, but that's the reality of working with pallet wood. It's a lot of work, but the result is some very cool free wood with a lot of character and an interesting story.